trolley just bashed into your man's car, so he's gonna go in there and complain about that, so I'm gonna stick around for that. Sorry about the wind. So I'm in Johnstown here, just seeing a small little village, and it's probably going to be a 2-minute video by the looks of it. It's got a centre, it's got a hotel for some reason, which is also a pub. We're going to have a look down here as well. Yeah, and then just small little houses. Now it's about 20 minutes on the M4 outside of Dublin, and then 5 minutes from the M4. Yeah, quaint little town, village, street, I suppose. It does have a nice white church. You don't really see many white churches. I'll have a quick look in here. I'm not going to go in because it's a Saturday and there might be some people. We have a false course here. That's a nice church, nice grounds. Very small and quaint. There's nothing more to record in Johnstown, but I thought I'd do a little video here and anyway. It's pretty nice. Looks like the parish lives close by as well. And just a little housing estate. Not much going around. Sorry about the wind again. I didn't bring the wireless mic that has the wind sock on it. Don't know why. Sure, my battery's running low and I've one more stop to go after here, so I hope to get that in as well. And that'll be Enfield. It's a small little village. Morning. That's literally it. I wonder if it's going to be as soon as that trolley smashed into your man's car. It wasn't that bad. He went straight into the shop, didn't even look at the damage. So I wonder if he's looking for a claim or something. There's a bridge down that way. Small little cottages. Yeah, it's not much going on here as far as I can see, and that's 3 minutes. So yeah, if you want a very, very, very quiet rural life, Johnstown is the place to go. So you have an entrance there, so that must be something. I don't know what it is though. It's a members car park. Be a DJI kid or something, I don't know. It's a very small little community. Anyway, that's it. This is not even a 5-minute video. If you want to save some battery for the next one, like, subscribe, comment, blah 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 blah.